Complete the sentences. Use threaten, face, damage, survive, preserve, worship. 1. Visitors and traffic pollution damage ancient sites such as Stonehenge. 2. In the past, people used to worship the sun at Stonehenge. 3. A lot of animals face extinction nowadays. 4. The effects of global warming threaten our national monuments. 5. Conservationists are working hard to preserve ancient sites. 6. We need to act now if our historical sites are to survive.
Fill in with air, melting, endangered, acid, national, car, global, energy, humid, busy. 1. Energy waste. 2. Endangered species. 3. Air pollution. 4. Melting ice. 5. Humid weather. 6. National symbol. 7. Busy roads. 8. Car parks. 9. Global warming. 10. Acid rain.
Match the words. Average temperature. Solar system. Turn their attention to rocky surface, strong winds, rush hour, giant leap, remote places.
Fill in with mammals, survive, critically, extinction, threatens. The bridled nail-tailed wallabies faced extinction because of overhunting. Dolphins and whales are mammals. They give birth to babies. Overfishing threatens Baiji dolphins. We should help Baiji dolphins survive. The saiga antelope is critically endangered.
Choose the correct word. 1. The ozone layer surrounds the Earth. 2. It stops the harmful rays from reaching the Earth. 3. The ozone layer allows the good rays to reach the Earth. 4. Scientists discovered the hole in the ozone layer in the 1980s. 5. If we don't do something about it, plants and animals may become extinct. 6. Temperatures will rise. 7. As the hole continues to grow, the planet is in danger. 8. Scientists are trying to find ways to fix the problem.
Prepositions предлоги. The Baiji dolphin is in a danger of extinction. In danger, в опасности. 2. Men responsible for most environmental problems. Люди ответственны за большинство проблем с экологией. Responsible for. 3. Rovers send valuable information at or to Earth. Марсоходы отправляют ценную информацию на Землю. Send to. 4. Scientists are interested in on space exploration. Устойчивое словосочетание interested in. 5. Water pollution is harmful to sea life. Harmful to. Вредное для. 6. They hope to find a solution in or to the problem of traffic pollution. Solution to. Решение проблемы. Subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to like it. I have a lot of useful English videos. Подписывайся на мой канал. Не забудь поставить лайк. У меня много полезных материалов по английскому языку.